What is going on, guys? Juan here, back with another video, and today what I have for you guys is the Anker Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. Now I went with this keyboard because I was looking for something nice and slim and wireless that'll go perfect with the setup that I'm currently working on at home. And after doing a lot of research and reading reviews on different types, this seemed like the perfect one to go with. So let's go ahead and go over some of the specs of this keyboard. Now, it's cross-compatible, meaning it works with iOS, Android, and Windows devices with the added benefit of shortcut keys optimized for all 4 systems, so that's a plus. Next, it's compact and light, meaning it's perfect for the on-the-go, and 30% smaller than those traditional clunky keyboards. Lastly, it features an extended battery life. The battery life is supposed to last more than 3 months on a single set of batteries, and comes with an automatic power saving mode to ensure the superior efficiency. Now, this wireless keyboard requires iOS and Android 3.0 or above to run, Mac OS X 10.2.8 or above, and Windows 10 8.7 Vista or XP. Now, it's not compatible with Mac OS X El Capitan. So, with all that aside, let's go ahead and go inside and see what we get. So, I got my unboxing knife right here. Let's go ahead and get inside. Looks like we just have 2 tabs right here that we need to cut. And this knife is super dull, so bear with me. Alright, so I got that tab open, that tab open. And let's see. I really didn't want to damage the box, but well, that didn't turn out too well. So, okay, we're greeted with this welcome guide here. Let's see what this is. Looks like it's just a start guide on how to and everything, so we'll put that to the side for now. And we're instantly greeted with the product. Let's see, that's about it in the box, so we'll put that to the side. Looks like this is wrapped up in some sort of paper. Get this off really quick. So first impressions, I'm pretty happy with it overall. Looks like here we have a tab in the back. Pull that open, looks like it's where your battery goes, and it said on the box that it requires 3 AAA batteries. They're not included, so we'll go ahead and put that back on for now. There's the on and off switch right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some batteries, power this thing on, and see how it works. Alright guys, so I have the batteries in. I've already paired it up to my laptop, so let's see how this thing performs. Alright guys, I do have a hookup to my MacBook right now, and I do apologize for the short space, so just bear with me. So let's go ahead and see how this works out. So let's just go ahead and retype in Google. Let's see how quick this is. Yeah, everything seems to be working fine. It's fast. Everything seems to be working good. Let's see if any of the shortcuts work. Command T. Yeah, we got a Command T for opening a new tab. Everything works good. Let's see. Let's try dimming the brightness down. Ooh, yep, that works good. Let's dim it back up. So yeah, we pretty much have all the standard keys for it with the MacBook. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's pretty much my overview and first impressions on the Anker Bluetooth wireless slim keyboard. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you guys want to purchase this for yourself, I did find it on Amazon, so I'll include a link in the description below. And until next time, have an awesome day.